Hey everybody, this is Julie. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make butter burgers, and we're going to use hamburger and some other stuff, and I will show you what we're going to do, so I'll flip y'all around. Okay, first off we're going to do Kaiser buns, and we're going to have onion powder, garlic powder, salt, 2 eggs, butter, and hamburger meat. Now you can do this however you want because it's a guesstimate.
You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I would've dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taken you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one little finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made, it all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them, yeah, we sure did write it out. 'Cause we have each other, that's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one little finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Yeah. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We are free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. You still amaze me. You still amaze me.
with my body. All night long, we got it going and the dance goes on. We got it going and I am here and I move with my body, move with my body. We can never go back this road, we can never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? We wanna go on, we wanna go night and day. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? With your body. With your body.
And there, my friends, is our dinner, our butter burgers. We're putting potato salad and baked beans with it. And I'm going to put the tomatoes, onions, and lettuce on the table. Y'all have a good day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this part of my butter hamburgers. Anyway, y'all have a good evening. Talk to you later. See you, bye.